Hi everyone, my name is Brian Bell with the HTM Workshop, and over the next couple of weeks we have a lot of exciting videos coming out. We'll be covering basic things like how to use a soldering iron and how to select a multimeter, how to replace the plug end of an electrical cable. Basic things, but things that are really important that every technician should be able to know how to do. One of the things I'm most excited to share over the next couple of weeks is some of our new kits that we have. We have an ECG simulator and a ECG reader. Now, the ECG simulator will simulate ECG waveforms so that you can test patient monitors, and basically you get to build something that would normally cost thousands of dollars. And then we have our ECG reader, where this will actually let you read the electrical activity of your heart. And we have all sorts of different content and instructions to help you walk through the process so that you can learn a little bit about how to build your own medical device and how to test medical devices. Check out our website at htm-workshop.com. Make sure to check out some of the kits that we offer right now. If you go to the products, you can see some of the kits we offer, and you can also see some of the things we have planned. So if you want to stay up to date, make sure to put your email address in and subscribe to our newsletter.